How to add shadow effect in Canva. So first go to Canva and then just open up your design. So first let's start with fonts. So if you want to add a shadow effect on fonts, you can just click on the font and then click on effects here at the top, then click on shadow, then just choose any of the here you can see the settings here. Just edit it however you want. As you can see, it changes here, the blur, the transparency. So that's it. So if you want to change or add shadows here on this kind of element here, you can just do the same, click on that and then click on edit, and then here you can just look for shadows, this one, click on that, and then you can see a lot of shadow options here. So if you want to select glue, you can do that, then you can edit the settings here as well. So just choose any of the kind of shadows here for this kind of element. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.